Hello guys, welcome back to the Simple Snip Code. My name is Rahul. In this video tutorial, we learn variables. Variables are nothing but reserved memory location to store value. This means that when you create a variable, that is, you reserve some space in memory. Variables are container for storing data value. Unlike other programming language, Python has no command for declaring a variable. That means in the other programming language, we have to declare first variable, then we can use it. But in Python, we don't have to declare the variable, we can directly use it. The next is value. Values are the basic thing in any programming language. Values can be different types. It can be integer type, floating point and string type. The value which are enclosed within the single quotes or double quotes, it called as a string. And integer and float are two different kinds of numerical data. An integer is a number without a decimal point, and a float is a floating point number, which means it is a number that has decimal places. The next is what are variables. Variables are nothing but these are the name given to some value or information. For example, where is equal to 10. Here 10 is a value, right? And where is the name given to the value. So this is a variable. To create a variable and value, the variable we can use assignment operator to assign the value that we can see here. The equal sign is also called as assignment operator. The left side of assignment operator is called as variable, and the value will be right side of the assignment operator is called as value. The next topic is multiple assignment. Python allows you to assign a single value to several variables simultaneously. For example, a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to 1. It means 1 is assigned to the variable variable a, variable b and variable c. So here we can assign a multiple object to multiple variable. So a comma b comma c is equal to 1 2 and double quotes में name Rahul. In this example, we take three variables and three different values. Here two integer objects with the value 1 and 2 are assigned to the variables a and b respectively, and one string object with the value of Rahul is assigned to the variable c. The next is, can we change the value of variable? The answer is yes. In this example, first we assign the x value is 1. After that, we assign the x value 2. But when I run this program, I got a x is equal to 2. The next is variable names. The variable names can have short names like a and b, or more descriptive name like id, name, age and phone. Rules for Python variables. A variable name must start with letter or underscore. And the second is, a variable name cannot start with number. The third is, a variable name can only contain alphanumeric character or underscore like A to Z, 0 to 9 and underscore. The fourth one is, variable names are case sensitive. Age and age. There are three different variables. Here is a list of legal variable name and illegal variable name. We will see how to create a variables and how to use it. So move on Sublime Text Editor. Now to create a variable, first we need to variable name. Actually the variable name can contain letter, digit and underscore. But the first letter should be letter or underscore. It should not be digit. Now we will create a one variable. I will give name as id is equal to 1. So equal is an assignment operator, 1 is a value and id is a variable name. Now variable is created. If you want to check, just type print save and run the program. It will give me the output as 1. Now in Python can hold any kind of value. In this example, variable holding the integer value. Now I will create as another variable. The variable name is marks is equal to 99.9. It is a floating point number. and it is valid. And rather I am creating as a string. So str is equal to value and str1 is the variable name. So here we end this tutorial. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Do give it like. Let me know in comment section. See you guys in next video.